story of Egypt. In this video, we take you on a journey through Egypt, a land where history, culture, and modern life blend seamlessly. From the towering pyramids of Giza to the majestic temples of Luxor, every corner of Egypt tells a story of ancient civilizations and legendary kings. We will explore the vibrant streets of Cairo, the Mediterranean charm of Alexandria, and the breathtaking beauty of the Red Sea. You will witness Egypt's diverse landscapes, from the fertile Nile Valley to the golden sands of the Sahara. Along the way, feel the rhythm of its rich culture, lose yourself in traditional music, savor the flavors of its delicious cuisine, and embrace the warmth of its people. Join us as we uncover the wonders of Egypt, a timeless land of mystery, beauty, and adventure. So, before we begin this video, I kindly request all my friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. Don't miss out on all the exciting videos coming your way soon. Thank you so much. Egypt, land of ancient wonders. Welcome to Egypt, a land where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Situated in the northeastern corner of Africa, Egypt is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, Sudan to the south, Libya to the west, and the Red Sea to the east. The famous Suez Canal, one of the world's most crucial waterways, connects the Mediterranean to the Red Sea, making Egypt a significant hub for trade and travel. With a population of over 100 million people, Egypt is the most populous country in the Arab world. Its capital, Cairo, is a bustling metropolis teeming with life, culture, and history. Home to the iconic Giza pyramids and the mystical Sphinx, Cairo stands as a breathtaking testament to the brilliance of ancient Egyptian civilization. But Cairo is just the beginning. Travel south along the majestic Nile, and you'll find Luxor, often referred to as the world's greatest open-air museum. Here, the Valley of the Kings, Karnak Temple, and Luxor Temple whisper the timeless stories of pharaohs and gods from thousands of years ago. Further south, the mesmerizing temples of Abu Simbel stand tall, carved into rock by Pharaoh Ramses II. These monumental structures continue to awe visitors with their precision, grandeur, and sheer scale. On Egypt's Mediterranean coast lies Alexandria, a city once home to the legendary Lighthouse of Alexandria, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Today, it remains a vibrant cultural center, featuring the modern Bibliotheca Alexandrina, a stunning revival of its ancient namesake. And let's not forget Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada, Egypt's paradise-like coastal resorts along the Red Sea. With their crystal-clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and world-class diving spots, these breathtaking destinations attract adventurers and relaxation seekers alike. From the bustling streets of Cairo to the serene waters of the Nile, Egypt offers a journey through time, one that connects us to the very roots of human civilization. This land of wonders continues to inspire, educate, and amaze all who set foot on its ancient sands. Famous city markets in Egypt. Egypt is known for its vibrant and bustling markets, or souks, where locals and tourists alike experience the country's rich culture, craftsmanship, and flavors. Some of the most famous markets include 1, Khan el-Khalili, Cairo. One of the oldest and most famous bazaars in the Middle East, Khan el-Khalili in Cairo dates back to the 14th century. This lively market is filled with handmade jewelry, intricate lanterns, exotic perfumes, fragrant spices, and traditional souvenirs. The narrow alleys, historic buildings, and the scent of exotic spices create an unforgettable experience, one that truly immerses you in Egyptian culture. 2. Souk al-Fustat, Old Cairo. Located near the famous Amr ibn al-As Mosque, this market specializes in handmade crafts such as pottery, textiles, and leather goods. It's a great place to buy authentic Egyptian souvenirs while soaking in the rich historical atmosphere. 3. Luxor Market, Luxor. If you're visiting the Valley of the Kings, don't miss the Luxor Market. This bustling bazaar offers a mix of traditional Egyptian spices, alabaster statues, hand-woven carpets, and pharaonic souvenirs. The vibrant energy of the marketplace adds to Luxor's majestic charm. 4. Aswan Souk, Aswan. Located near the Nile River, Aswan's market is famous for its Nubian goods, including handmade baskets, colorful scarves, dried hibiscus flowers, and local spices. It's a place where you can truly experience the warmth of Nubian culture and hospitality. 5. El Dahar Market, Hurghada. A must-visit for travelers along the Red Sea coast, El Dahar Market in Hurghada offers fresh local produce, Egyptian cotton garments, and exquisite artisanal crafts. It's an excellent spot to experience local life and enjoy authentic Egyptian cuisine. History of the Pyramids of Egypt. The Pyramids of Egypt are among the most iconic and mysterious structures in the world. Built as royal tombs for the pharaohs, they symbolize the incredible engineering skills and religious beliefs of ancient Egyptians. Chapter 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Pyramid of Khufu. Built around 2580 to 2560 BCE during the 4th dynasty, it is the oldest and largest of the Giza pyramids. Originally 146.6 meters, 481 feet tall, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Made of over 2.3 million limestone blocks, some weighing up to 15 tons each. How did they build it? Inside it houses the King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, and Grand Gallery, a masterpiece of ancient engineering. The pyramid was aligned precisely with the cardinal points, showcasing the advanced astronomical knowledge of the Egyptians. 2. Pyramid of Khafra, Middle Pyramid. Built by Pharaoh Khafra, the son of Khufu, around 2570 BCE. Slightly smaller than the Great Pyramid, but appears taller due to its position on higher ground. It is unique because it still retains some of its original smooth limestone casing at the top. The Great Sphinx of Giza, the world's largest monolithic statue, stands in front of this pyramid, believed to represent Pharaoh Khafra himself. 3. Pyramid of Menkaure, smallest of the 3 Giza pyramids. Built around 2510 BCE by Pharaoh Menkaure, the smallest of the 3 pyramids, standing at 65 meters, 213 feet tall. Originally covered in granite rather than limestone, giving it a distinct appearance. 4. Step Pyramid of Djoser, Saqqara Pyramid. Built around 2670 BCE by Pharaoh Djoser during the 3rd dynasty. Designed by Imhotep, the first recorded architect in history. Considered the first pyramid ever built, it marked the transition from mastaba tombs to pyramid structures, a revolutionary step in architecture. 5. Bent Pyramid and Red Pyramid, Dahshur Pyramids. The bent pyramid of Pharaoh Sneferu has an unusual shape due to a design change mid-construction. The Red Pyramid, also built by Sneferu, was the first true smooth-sided pyramid, a precursor to the Great Pyramid. Why were the pyramids built? The pyramids were constructed as tombs for pharaohs who were believed to become gods in the afterlife. These massive structures ensured their safe passage to eternity, where they would rule forever. The pyramids remain one of the greatest achievements of human civilization, awe-inspiring, mysterious, and timeless. They continue to attract millions of visitors every year who come to marvel at their grandeur and secrets. Egypt, a land of economic growth, knowledge, and cultural splendor. Gross domestic product, GDP, imports, and exports. As of 22, Egypt's GDP stood at an impressive $345.87 billion, ranking it as the 31st largest economy in the world. A true testament to the nation's economic resilience and potential. When it comes to trade, Egypt's total exports were valued at around $52.1 billion, while imports reached approximately $96.2 billion, leading to a trade deficit. Despite this, Egypt remains a key player in global markets, with industries such as petroleum, textiles, agriculture, and tourism driving its economy forward. Literacy rate. The power of knowledge. Education is the foundation of any great civilization, and Egypt is no exception. In 2022, the country's overall literacy rate for individuals aged 15 and above was approximately 74.5%. However, there remains a gender gap. Male literacy stood at about 80%, while female literacy was around 67%. Efforts continue to empower women through education, paving the way for a brighter future. Culture, a timeless tapestry of heritage and art. Egypt boasts a rich cultural heritage that spans thousands of years, deeply influencing art, architecture, literature, music, and traditions. Let's take a closer look at some of the key cultural treasures that make Egypt extraordinary. Ancient monuments, the pyramids of Giza, the Sphinx, and the temples of Luxor and Karnak stand as eternal wonders, showcasing the architectural genius of the ancient Egyptians. These monumental structures continue to amaze the world with their grandeur and mystery. Literature. Egyptian literature dates back to the Pharaonic era, with monumental contributions during the Islamic Golden Age and modern times. The works of Nobel laureate Naguib Mahfouz have put Egyptian storytelling on the global stage. His novels paint a vivid picture of life, history, and human struggle in Egypt. Music and dance. Egyptian music is soulful and vibrant, featuring traditional instruments like the oud and qanun. The country is also the birthplace of belly dancing, a mesmerizing art form that has enchanted audiences for centuries. The rhythm of Egypt's music flows through the streets, telling stories of love, struggle, and celebration. Cuisine. Egyptian food is a delightful explosion of flavors, from the hearty ful medams, stewed fava beans, to the iconic koshari, a delicious mix of rice, lentils, and pasta. Egyptian cuisine is a true feast for the senses. Whether you're indulging in freshly baked bread, succulent grilled meats, or mouth-watering desserts, every bite connects you to the heart of Egypt's culinary heritage. Egypt is a land where past and present collide, where history whispers through the desert winds, and where the future shines bright. From its thriving economy to its rich cultural legacy, Egypt continues to inspire, educate, and captivate the world. Egypt, where past and future collide. Egypt is more than just a country. It's a legend, a masterpiece, a story still being written. From its thriving economy to its deep cultural roots, Egypt continues to inspire, educate, and captivate the world. So, what's next for Egypt? The answer lies in its people, passion, and unstoppable spirit. Egypt, a land of history, hospitality, and adventure. Egypt is a country rich in history and culture, offering a variety of airports and accommodations to suit every traveler's needs. Whether you're drawn to the majestic pyramids, the stunning beaches of the Red Sea, or the timeless beauty of the Nile, Egypt welcomes you with open arms. Major airports in Egypt: Cairo International Airport, CAI. Located approximately 15 kilometers northeast of Cairo's city center, CAI is the largest and busiest airport in Egypt, serving as a primary gateway for both international and domestic flights. It's the first step into a land where ancient wonders and modern life collide. Hurghada International Airport, HRG. Nestled in the breathtaking Red Sea resort city of Hurghada, HRG welcomes thousands of tourists seeking sun, sand, and adventure. Whether you're diving into crystal clear waters or lounging on golden beaches, this airport is your ticket to paradise. Sharm el-Sheikh International Airport, SSH. Located in the vibrant resort town of Sharm el-Sheikh, SSH is a hotspot for travelers from across Europe. With its world-class diving spots, luxurious resorts, and lively nightlife, it's no wonder this destination is a favorite. Luxor International Airport, LXR. Serving the legendary city of Luxor, home to ancient temples, the Valley of the Kings, and awe-inspiring ruins. LXR is the perfect gateway for those seeking to walk in the footsteps of pharaohs. Aswan International Airport, ASW. Just a short journey from the picturesque city of Aswan, ASW provides easy access to some of Egypt's most breathtaking sights, including the Philae Temple and the iconic Aswan High Dam. Notable hotels in Egypt. Stay in comfort and luxury. Egypt offers a wide range of accommodations, from opulent resorts to budget-friendly hotels. Here are some must-visit stays. Cairo, Marriott Mina House. Imagine waking up to a view of the Great Pyramids. This luxury hotel blends modern elegance with rich history, offering an unforgettable experience. Kempinski Nile Hotel Cairo, a 5-star retreat along the Nile River, where world-class service and luxury come together to create a stay like no other. Sharm el-Sheikh, Savoy Sharm el-Sheikh, a breathtaking resort offering everything from pristine beaches to high-end dining and thrilling water activities. Luxor, Sofitel Winter Palace, Luxor. Step back in time and experience royal luxury at this historic hotel, located near the magnificent Nile. Aswan, Movenpick Resort Aswan. Located on a serene island in the middle of the Nile, this resort is a haven of tranquility, offering stunning river views and top-notch hospitality. For more hotel options and to find the perfect stay for your journey, check out platforms like Booking.com and Expedia, where travelers just like you share their experiences and recommendations. Planning your Egyptian adventure? When choosing your accommodations, consider their proximity to the attractions you wish to explore. Whether you're looking for a luxurious escape, a historical retreat, or an affordable yet cozy stay, Egypt has something for everyone. So pack your bags, book your stay, and get ready to experience the magic of Egypt.